Welcome to Madras Academy, where we explore powerful tools, emerging technologies, and smarter ways to master the skills that shape the future. Have you ever imagined having a personal teacher who never gets tired, never says come tomorrow, and is available 24/7? Today, I'm going to show you something powerful, not just a chatbot, but a smart learning partner. Today, we are going to use ChatGPT for real education, and trust me, it's more powerful than you think. Learning Python first. We open a new chat and we type, "Teach me Python basics step by step for beginners." And what happens next? It doesn't confuse you. It doesn't jump to advanced topics. It starts from zero. How to install Python. How to write your first program. Then slowly, what are variables? What are data types? What is input and output? Each concept explained in simple words with examples, step by step. When learning is structured like this, it stops being difficult. It becomes enjoyable. Quiz generator. Now let's try something different. We type, "Give me 20 quiz questions about world history." Within seconds, it generates questions from different centuries, different civilizations, different historical events. It's like having a personal quiz master, ready anytime, anywhere. Deep knowledge. Now we ask, which deadly pandemic in the 14th century killed millions across Europe? It answers, the Black Death. But it doesn't stop there. It explains what caused it, how it spread, how many people died, how it changed history. It gives context, not just information. Serious tone. That's the difference between searching and understanding. Technical learning. Now let's go technical. We type explain REST API in beginner level, and it explains clearly what is REST API, why we use it. HTTP methods. Get, post, put, delete. What is JSON? Real world examples. Even how different programming languages use it. Clear, simple, practical, no confusion, no complicated jargon. Closing message. So what did we learn today? ChatGPT is not just for chatting, it can be your personal teacher, quiz, generator, coding mentor, knowledge guide, career helper. The secret? Ask clear questions, be specific, keep exploring, soft tone. Education is no longer limited to classrooms. Knowledge is no longer limited to books. With the right questions, you unlock unlimited learning. Start learning, start exploring, start asking. Because the more you ask, the more you grow. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, keep building, keep growing. This is Madras Academy, and I'll see you in the next video.